Hey guys, today we're going to be taking this custom gaming rig and we're going to be replacing it with a different GPU. Right now it's got an EVGA GeForce GTX 950 and we're going to be putting a EVGA GeForce GTX 960. I know it's not that big of a deal, but I just want to kind of show you a quick rundown of how you can replace a GPU on your own rig. Upgrading to a different graphics card, or maybe you're gonna sell it and you want to pull it out. So we're gonna show you how to do that. Alright, so the first thing you want to do, of course, is you're gonna want to unplug your power. I like to hold down the power button on the computer for about 5 to 10 seconds just so all that power gets out of that PSU. So once that is done, make sure you disconnect everything, and then we're gonna tilt this on the side, and then we're going to open up the case. Alright, once you have the case on its side, on this particular case there's just two pull downs. You go up and you just pull these down, lift that cover up, and as you can see we have multiple PCI Express slots. So this particular motherboard can actually support up to 3 GPUs, but today we're just going to be putting a GPU in here, which is that EVGA GTX 960, which is right here. So let's go ahead and put this in. Alright, now that you have the case open, this on the side, you got your power disconnected. Now let's go ahead and add this GPU. So you want to make sure that you got these tabs here. You're going to want to make sure whatever slot you're going to be putting this into, you want to push that open in the open position. And then if you have any cables or anything, just make sure you kind of push those away. And I always like putting the GPU all the way to the side of the case, and then you go down, and then you just want to make sure you line up your PCI slot there. And then push it down firmly and make sure that switch right back here gets pushed back up. Sometimes that once you put a card in, this will automatically push up, but sometimes it doesn't, so you just want to make sure it's firmly up in the lock position. And then in this case, this GPU requires additional power, so that's our 8-pin. So you're going to want to do this in first, and then the other 6 pins. Make sure it's firmly in there. Move any cables out of the way, and there you have it. Alright, so once we have our GPU in there, firmly in, now we can go ahead and put the case back on. So that's like really all there is to it. Just make sure you have the power disconnected. If there's a GPU already in there, remove that graphic card out of there. Now we can go ahead and power this up.